everyone, it's autumn, and today I'm combining my two loves, Primark and Autumn, to give you an autumnal Primark haul. Couple things, the lighting, don't know what's going on. I'm hoping it's okay. I've put my camera on an alien setting because the sun is so bright and it makes my room yellowy. Another thing, my fringe. It's, you know how I have a fringe that like splits in half? And like it just does its own thing. Well, oh, have I fixed it? Oh, maybe. I don't know. I was like, fine, it's not splitting properly. We'll have a full fringe. But I've got my trusty comb with me. We're gonna figure it out. Just got it in a pony. Lovely jumper from Oasis, link below if you like it. And I've got Rupert, my little assistant, next to me here. So if you hear snoring, it's my pug. So, Primark haul for autumn, so excited. I've already worn a few of these items just because I was so thrilled and overjoyed that Primark can be quite a overwhelming experience when you first walk in because you're like, which direction do I go? Do I go here? Do I go there? I have a system and it's typically always the Tottenham Court Road Primark in London. It makes me laugh when I'm on the tube and they're like, exit for the museum of blah blah blah. When I'm at Tottenham Court Road, I just feel like they may as well just say exit for Primark because that's what we're all getting off for. Just putting it out there. So yeah, it can be quite overwhelming, but I've got my system and there's just a lot of things. There's a lot of jumpers, there's a lot of knitwear, jackets. There's a lot more that I wanted to get, but I didn't have that much time this time. Now there's a jumper that I really, really want. My friend Joe's has it, a lot of people have it. It's the leopard print jumper. I'm like, please. Next time I pop, oh my gosh, I might pop in later today. So I bought one of these jazzy materialed Primark bags for like £1. And they look like your typical Primark shopping bag, but it's made of material, so it can't break. So starting with bags and accessories, if I can delve in and find things, I am having a leopard print moment at the moment, as is everyone. Who am I kidding? And I saw this bag and I was just like, I am gonna make this work for my life and incorporate it day to day. And I just thought it was so fabulous. I might have it the plain, it's not plain, but you know what I mean, like this side has like a flap and silverware. I might have it on the plain side on show and then have it wear it as a crossbody. Oh, with this colour. Oh yeah, leopard print. I'm so glad. I feel like leopard print comes every like 2-3 years. I had such a leopard print obsession quite early on in my YouTube life. I was obsessed with leopard and burgundy. I'm like now leopard with pink. I really like this. So this bag was £6. I just think this is an absolute winner. It's not material. It looks like it's material, but it's just maybe like the effect of the texture. But I absolutely love this. I think it looks absolutely not Primark whatsoever. So I absolutely love that. And then another bag I got, which I think is really different, is this one. So the shape of it is like this. Like it looks like one of my mum's old makeup vanity things that she'd take on holiday. It's just an unusual shape for a bag. It's black, faux leather, gold hardware, a strap this long, so maybe, oh, crossbody maybe on the side, probably crossbody knowing me, but I loved that, and that was £8. Would it be autumn winter in my life if I didn't have an extreme beret collection? Because that collection is just going to keep growing and growing as new ones are released. So I saw this I actually found in like not the right place. It was just by itself hanging up and I was like, I'm gonna put this one in my basket because if I can't find it later on, I've got it already. But I did find it and I found like a more structured one, but it's this pale pink with pearls all over it and it's so cute. And I'm not going to put it on now because my hair's up and I have places to go afterwards. But this I think was about £5. It's real wool and I live for berets. I'm like, if there's anything that I can put on to like cover those bad hair days, then we're a winner. And plus it looks cute and it just makes every outfit look 10 times better. This is so random, but it's so needed. It's so handy in my life. I enjoy wearing a towel over my head when I've washed my hair, but the massive ones are heavy and it makes my head like bob around. And I look like Rupert when he's falling asleep. So I came across this This is not good to how you are going to imagine it. I can't even remember how you put it on. Oh, so you put it on like this, and then you can twist the front with your hair in, and then at the back there's a button, so you're wearing it like that. Do you get me? So it's perfect, it's ideal. And I sleep in it because I often wash my hair in the evening, because if I wash my hair in the morning like I did today, it goes static and doesn't sit right and air dries throughout the day, and we get more and more like Hagrid's sister. So, or just Hagrid, let's be honest. So I like to wash it in the evenings typically, and then sleep with this so my pillows don't get super wet. But yeah, that was about £2, so I thought that was quite a good deal. Oh, here we go. Here's a better example. Although hers just looks like a Cornish pasty on her head. What a look. These shoes, I was shook when I saw these. It was a moment where I saw them from the distance and I was like, I'm going to come back to those momentarily. And I was like, in my head, I was psyching myself up for, they're not going to have your size, you're an average size 6/7, they're an amazing pair of shoes, everyone's going to want them. Lo and behold, they had my size. I love them so much. I've worn them for like 15 minutes while I was taking a photo, and they are so comfortable. Like, I can't wait to wear these, but I didn't want to have them out and about before I filmed this video, because I didn't want them to get all scuffy, although they kind of have. Though the labels are still on, lol. But these are just 11 out of 10. Like, they're the kitten heel, they're pointy, so it's flattering. It's got a stretchy Chelsea boot look. They're easy to walk in. They are so comfortable, like I can't express. They're a faux suede, and the leopard just looks so premium. Like, yeah, I'm here for these. These are kinky boots. I love these so very much, and I can't wait to wear them with everything. So I got a cardigan, and I'm much more of a jumper person when it comes to knitwear. I love sweatshirts as well, but I saw this and I was like, you know what, I can just see myself throwing this on, getting cozy. It's very soft, I don't have to put it over my head, it's not going to ruin my face or my hair. And yeah, I love the colour. It's this beautiful pale pink, and it's like the faux mohair. I mean, I wouldn't wear it with this, but you know, just for purposes of this video. And it's so soft. It's not that thick, but I don't often get cold. I always get hot. But if I'm like, oh, a bit chilly in this evening, then I can just put this on. It's nice and long, and we've got pockets. And I don't know how much this was because I've already worn it. I'm guessing it was like £13. That is the benchmark of knitwear that Primark are going for right now, because this one was £13 also. And I love this. Okay, it's a bit higgledy-piggledy. There we go. So, £13. Cream knitted long sleeve jumper with little bobbles. Little pom-poms all over, and I loved it. They also had this in like a pale lilac as well, but I am very black and white, grey, pink, leopard, houndstooth, good to go. So I just thought this was great, just something to throw on. Leather leggings, over the knee boots, a jacket, a beret, sorted. So in Primark they stock my favourite micellar water. This is the Garnier micellar water, and yes, it's a mini, but they're only not like 90p in Primark, so I just stocked up on a few of those. And then another jumper. This is a colour that I wouldn't typically wear, but I want to because it's very autumnal, and it was £6 and it's high neck and frilly. Oh, what a surprise. Girl likes those. And it's this like mustard ribbed little sweatshirt. It's not a sweatshirt, like a thin sweater. £6. New and improved sizing. Black piping around there and around the little cuffs. I just thought I can give this a go. What would you wear this with? I'm thinking tucking it into like a cord skirt. I don't know. And then finally, probably my favourite item from this haul. I've already worn it. I'll show you a couple of pictures on screen. It is this lovely, it's like amazing, like I'm so here for this. It's a jacket, and it's like Prince of Wales check, kind of, is it? Maybe, I don't know. But it's got like a dark red going through it, and I just absolutely love this. They also have some similar looking but different material with yellow. There's one with a tie around the waist. This has pockets and buttons, and I just loved it. It's like the perfect thickness for me for right now, because it's not thick that I'm going to get really, really hot, but it's just a bit of extra like autumnal layering, but also keeps you nice and toasty. And I think that was only £25, which is so good. And I wouldn't normally do this because I just wouldn't. But everything here, my whole receipt was £100 on the dot. That never happens, and it was not planned. It was on the dot. When she said 100, I was like, really? Even though things are like 90p or £1.50, £1.60, I was like, really? And all of that for £100 I think is really, really good. And I've now got some lovely additions to my autumnal wardrobe. So there we go, that is my October Primark haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you did. Let me know your favourite item down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!